No, well, that one was not open, but it was
Here's
closed.
Cat
Search
and
for it. Like I could at least find
Guy's
out
house.
a closed group, and so I asked for acceptance. That like pet was on or center or whatever,
And there's their garage and driveway. And here's the front door. And in we go.
And this is Gunner Cash on his second week. It's his second week birthday. February. Friday, July. What's today? 18th. He is officially 2 weeks old at 4:04, and as you can see, he is wide awake and ready to party. He'll be wide awake and ready to party after he sleeps off this milk, right? That's right. He's just trying to sleep off some milk.
You're on, Guy.
Oh, it's video?
Ooh.
You gonna talk?
Whoa. Blow in his face and see if he makes a funny face. Yeah, it's a face blow. A scrunch face.
Look at his lips all crooked.
Crooked.
Those cheeks.
Crooked. Clunk.
Those cheeks.
Puffy cheeks. Puffy cheeks. Okay, Guy, let's do exercises.
Tummy time. It's tummy time. Tummy time. Boop. What's over here? What's over here? Someone's gonna get your ear. Someone's gonna get your ear. Huh? What's over here? What's over here? What's over here? Tickles. 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 What's up here? Hmm? Hey, what's over here?
And here comes Cat on the first stroll with the baby coming down the hill.
Yeah, he like loves it and anything that moves.
The bob is awesome.
Yeah, I love how bouncy it is. We had to get like another one just because it, like going into the grocery store and stuff, like this thing is like too big.
Oh yeah, I have
Do you have the Be Agile one too, or the?
I have that Snap and Go. I'm like.
Oh, that's what we have. The
I
Snap
get
and
so
Go.
mad at me because I have like 5. And I also have the City Mini for when they're bigger. I recommend that one.
Yeah.
Like an umbrella stroller.
Oh, cool.
They're so lightweight and you can undo it with one hand.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got. Oh, there's the video. We got the Snap and Go because I
Yeah.
was like, I'm not gonna spend another $220 on like a lightweight stroller.